Hey everyone, so the Dow Jones just dropped 185 points, and Wall Street is holding its breath. Why? It's all about the high-stakes trade talks happening right now between the US and China, this time in London. Investors are feeling cautious, and you can see it across the board. The S&P 500 slipped just a bit, down 0.1%, while the Nasdaq actually nudged up 0.1%. It's a classic case of uncertainty, and the big question is whether these talks can actually break years of trade tension between the world's two biggest economies. Here's the deal. Existing tariffs between the US and China are still in place, and they're costing businesses billions while making everyday goods more expensive for you and me. The hope is that these London talks could end with some tariffs finally getting the axe, helping out sectors like technology, agriculture, and manufacturing. If that happens, we could see a real boost in global trade and maybe even a jump in the stock market. But there's plenty of risk. The market's been rallying this year, partly because investors think President Trump might strike new trade deals and cut barriers. Right now, the S&P 500 is just 2.5% off its all-time high. But if these talks fall through, we could see more uncertainty, and that's never good for stocks. A quick look at today's big movers. Warner Bros. Discovery soared up to 9% after news of a company split, and Qualcomm jumped 4.4% with a new acquisition. On the flip side, EchoStar tumbled over 8% on bankruptcy rumors, and Robinhood dropped 7% after getting booted from the S&P 500. So all eyes are on London. Inflation data's coming soon too, which could shape the Fed's next move on interest rates. Bottom line, this week's about to get interesting. Stay tuned.